Today we're making a quick and easy bang bang shrimp rice bowl, a delicious dinner that's packed with so much flavor.
Hi, I'm Laura. Welcome back to Dinner and Aside, where my sister and I share our favorite dinner combos. Follow along and you'll have dinner on the table in no time.
These bowls are filled with fluffy rice, fresh avocado, lots of delicious crunchy vegetables, and the best crispy bang bang shrimp. We can't get enough of them.
This is one of my favorite ways to eat shrimp. Who doesn't love bang bang sauce, right? Thank you, Bonefish Grill, for this gem.
No, I've never had this at the restaurant.
Oh, that's sad. It's so good, but at least we can make it at home. Okay, let's get started with the sauce. I'm gonna use this bowl big enough to put the shrimp in later on to toss it, just to save on dishes. There are a lot of different recipes for bang bang sauce out there, but I think the most authentic one starts with some mayonnaise, some Thai sweet chili sauce, Sriracha, and honey. You can adjust this sauce to how you like it. If you don't like it sweet, don't add so much honey. If you like it spicier, add a little more Sriracha. Okay, let's get the shrimp ready. I'm using 3140 size medium shrimp, and I like to buy them with the shells off and already cleaned just to avoid all that work. Pour the buttermilk over the shrimp. The buttermilk and the cornstarch together will create a batter that adheres perfectly to the shrimp. Just let the excess buttermilk run off and then put it into another bowl. Then add the cornstarch, salt, and pepper to the bowl and mix it all up. I'm gonna fry the shrimp on the stovetop, but you can cook them in the air fryer if you want to. For the stovetop, just pour vegetable oil into your skillet and heat it to about 350 to 375 degrees. While this heats up, let's see what Angie's up to.
Okay, let's assemble these rice bowls. You know, I love rice bowls because they're just so easy to put together and they're so versatile. Today we're topping ours with bang bang shrimp, but you could put just about anything on them. Leftover chicken, steak, ground pork, or even cauliflower. The bowls start with cooked rice. You can use anything you have on hand. Long grain rice, jasmine, or maybe even brown rice. Divide the rice between the bowls. Then you can add whatever veggies you like. For me, that's sliced avocado, edamame, some julienned carrots, some sliced cucumber, and some shaky shaky.
I think you just made that up. What is shaky shaky?
Well, I don't know what it's really called. Sriracha. It's a Japanese seasoning with sesame seeds and seaweed, and it's delicious on these bowls.
Okay, shaky shaky, you got it.
Anyways, that's the bowl. It's ready for that bang bang shrimp.
Okay, I guess we better get this shrimp going. Once the oil is heated, you can add the shrimp. Just make sure that they don't touch. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes, flipping them after about a minute. When they're golden brown, you can transfer them to a plate. After you're done frying them, don't let them sit too long because they really need to be served right away to be super crispy. You can pour them right into the bowl with the sauce and toss to coat. That is perfect. Okay, the only thing that's left to do is to dress up these bowls with our delicious bang bang shrimp. Now garnish with fresh cilantro and a lime wedge.
That's our bang bang shrimp bowl. So delicious.